Welcome to TimeTwists, where we delve into the realms of what if. Viewer discretion is advised. Please take into consideration your own sensitivity or comfort levels before proceeding. Today we explore a speculative scenario. Could a zombie-like apocalypse ever occur in reality? Let's unfold a story grounded in science, yet veiled in the unknown. Imagine a future where genetic engineering has advanced significantly. Scientists have begun experimenting with more complex viral therapies to cure diseases. In this world, a new experimental treatment is developed, aiming to cure neurodegenerative diseases. It involves a genetically engineered virus designed to repair brain cells. But something unforeseen occurs. The virus mutates unexpectedly, affecting not just damaged cells, but healthy brain tissue. It begins altering neurotransmitters and brain functions, leading to unforeseen side effects. The mutated virus spreads like wildfire, transmitting through bodily fluids. Those infected exhibit loss of higher cognitive functions, increased aggression, and primitive behavior. Eerily similar to fictional zombies, governments and health organizations struggle to respond. Quarantines are imposed, but the virus proves difficult to contain. Society teeters on the brink as the infected population grows. As fear grips the populace, societal structures begin to crumble. Looting, violence, and chaos ensue as people fight for survival, and resources become scarce. The fall of governments. With the rapid spread of the virus, governments and military forces find themselves outmatched. Safe zones fail. Command structures collapse. The world as we know it starts to fall apart. In the wake of a hypothetical zombie apocalypse, the landscape of human existence undergoes a radical transformation, where the concept of survival of the fittest takes on a stark new reality. In this new world, the primary goal shifts to mere survival. People form smaller, tightly knit groups, focusing on scavenging for resources and securing safe shelters. Traditional societal norms and rules become obsolete, replaced by a more primal code of existence. It's not just a struggle against the relentless threat of the undead. Often, the danger also comes from other humans, equally desperate to survive. Amidst this chaos, however, what remains of humanity begins to show remarkable adaptability. Communities forge bonds of cooperation, understanding that unity and working together increase their chances of survival. There's a return to the basics of human solidarity and mutual aid, which stand in stark contrast to the prevailing atmosphere of fear and distrust. In hidden corners and secure enclaves, scientists labor in a race against time, relentlessly searching for a cure or a solution to stem the tide of infection. And through all these efforts, the resilience of the human spirit becomes evident. It shines as a beacon of hope and determination, driving humanity to not just survive, but to hold on to the essence of what it means to be human. Even in the darkest of times, it will be more likely for cooperative groups and kind but resilient humans to grow in this scenario. Here's why. History and social science suggest that cooperation is a key factor in human survival. In challenging situations, communities that work together, share resources, and support each other are more likely to overcome obstacles and rebuild. Benevolent communities foster strong social bonds, which are crucial for maintaining morale and mental health during crises. Empathy, compassion, and mutual aid can be powerful motivators and stabilizers in dire situations. Communities that emphasize collective well-being, democratic decision-making, and sustainable resource management are likely to have a long-term advantage. Such communities can create stable environments necessary for rebuilding and progress. In the immediate aftermath of a catastrophe, aggressive tactics might offer some short-term advantages, such as acquiring resources or territory. However, these are typically unsustainable. Aggressive or abusive communities are prone to internal conflict. Lack of trust, high tension, and the potential for power struggles can lead to instability and eventual collapse. Such communities might alienate potential allies and create enemies, making them vulnerable to external threats. In a world where resources are scarce, having more enemies than allies can be a significant disadvantage. In reality, the most successful communities in such a scenario might be those that strike a balance, being resourceful and cautious, yet compassionate and cooperative. Human history shows examples of societies flourishing when they find this balance, adapting to changing circumstances while maintaining a core of shared values and mutual support. In summary, while aggressive communities might seem powerful in the short term, especially in the dramatic portrayal of movies, benevolent communities grounded in cooperation and empathy have advantages that are more sustainable in the long run. This is especially true in scenarios where rebuilding society and ensuring long-term survival are key objectives. While a true zombie virus as seen in popular culture is purely fictional, exploring these scenarios can be a thought-provoking exercise in understanding virology, human behavior, and societal resilience. Thank you for joining us on this hypothetical journey at TimeTwists. Remember, while the zombie apocalypse remains firmly in the realm of fiction, it's always intriguing to explore the what-ifs. Like, share and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. And tell us in the comments how you would survive a zombie apocalypse.